Hey everybody, I'm Jeff. Welcome to ADV. And today I'm doing another unboxing. I got a bunch of parts in the mail over the last couple of weeks, and they just started piling up, and I didn't have time to get to them. So I thought, well, I'm gonna go down to the garage today and just unbox them all, and I figured I'd share with you guys and see, check out what I'm doing. So on the Honda Africa Twin, I have put a high fender kit on it from Camel ADV, and you have to order the fender and the fork guards separately, and so I've been waiting for those to come in, but we got the other kit on. I'll do a video about that and show you the progress on it. And this is the fork guards. I found them on Dennis Kirk. The easiest way to find it, so on the Camel ADV website, they have one of the images in with the high fender kit. When you click on it and you look through the images on there, and it shows what it's going to look like, because they don't sell the fender and fork guards with the kit, because it would cost them a lot of money and they would end up having to charge like more to send it to us. So they recommend here's the part numbers. We've got an entire list of all the part numbers of fenders that'll fit this kit and fork guards that'll fit this kit. Just, you go order them, and that way you can save some money. Anyway, these are the fork guards that I got. They're from, I found them on Dennis Kirk, and the easiest way to find them, like, don't feel overwhelmed when you just see the part number and the part, and you're like, well, where the hell do I get this? Go to Google, type that part number into the Google search bar, and hit search, and you'll find everywhere it's for sale. It was actually pretty easy, because I was a little intimidated by that. I was like, I don't know where I'm going to find this. Well, that's where you find it. So let's check them out. These are Acerbis fork guards, and they came in from Dennis Kirk, like I said. And I think I paid, they weren't really that much. Hold up, how much did I pay for these things? Okay, for this pair of fork guards, I paid $32.36. With shipping, the grand total was $40.35. Okay, so I got mine in white, just plain white, and they come with some little brackets for mounting. And then Corey from Camel ADV, for that high fender kit, in his install video that he put up on YouTube that we followed to do what we've done so far with the new brake lines and the new bracket that acts as a brake fluid manifold and all that. His install video is perfection, and he shows you how to install these as well. So I'm waiting on the fender, and once I get the fender in, then I'll have all the pieces, and then I'll be able to put all this stuff on the bike. So as far as the fork guards go, with shipping and everything all in, 40 bucks. These are Acerbis, they're from Dennis Kirk, and they will fit the new kit on the Camel ADV high fender kit. So Camel ADV gives you some new brackets. Let me look at my screen so I can see what I'm looking at. Okay, so these new brackets are what the brake lines and everything mount to, and then the fork guards are going to mount into these places. And he's got some hardware in the box, which I still have more parts to put on here, but he's got some hardware in the box where those fork guards will mount onto. And yeah, by the way, in case you're curious, the high fender kit puts a new bracket up here, and so you can mount your fender up top. Okay, that's all I got for that. I just wanted to show you these and let you know that if you're looking for things only by part number and you don't know where to start looking, put that part number in the Google bar, and it'll show you all the results for where that part is in stock and for sale. All right, have a good day. Peace.